We'll guide you through how to enable Dropbox Camera Upload on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll need to download and install the Dropbox desktop app if you haven't done so yet, as the camera upload feature is managed through the app. After installing, open the Dropbox app on your computer. You should see a notifications icon in the system tray or menu bar, depending on whether you're using Windows or Mac OS. Click on this icon to open the Dropbox menu. From here, go to the settings by clicking the gear icon. In the settings menu, look for the Backups tab. Under the Backups section, you'll find an option for camera uploads. Make sure the toggle is turned on. This will automatically upload photos and videos from your connected camera or mobile device to Dropbox whenever they are connected to your computer. If you want to manage which devices can upload photos, you can click on Manage Devices to see a list and make adjustments. Keep in mind that you'll need to have enough storage space in your Dropbox account to handle the file uploads. Adjust any additional preferences, such as whether you want the uploads to occur over Wi-Fi only, to suit your needs. And that's it. Your camera uploads should now be enabled, and you can enjoy automatic syncing of your precious memories to Dropbox. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.